Guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. As always, I'm Sabi from Code Revolution. So I'm glad to share with you 50% off on all plans for Envato Elements during the cyber sale period, which will be limited time. So go ahead guys, click the link from this video's description if you want to sign up to Envato Elements at a reduced cost, because this will be a limited opportunity. So 50% off for your entire subscription. So this is a great deal, as other coupons or other deals might be worth only for the first month of the subscription. However, this deal is for the entire duration of your subscription. You get 50% off. So click the link from this video's description and you will be able to benefit of this deal, 50% off on Envato Elements subscription. Also, if you want to use the coupon link that reduces even more your subscription, but only for the first month, so the price will be 70% discounted, but only for the first month, then you can check the video's description. You will have an alternative coupon that will discount only the first month, but by 70%. So you can choose between a 70% first month discount or 50% entire subscription discount for Envato Elements. Both links found in this video's description. So yeah, this is all for today. It was just a quick update for Envato Elements subscriptions. Go ahead guys and check them. If you like these videos that I create, like, share, subscribe. It's really appreciated. It helps me go forward. Thank you for watching until the end. I hope these coupons will benefit you. Until next time, this is all. Bye bye.